Welcome back to Woodworker Express.com. Today I'm going to be showing you the EBCO heavy duty folding Banquet table legs. Now these legs come as a pair per order, 400-pound weight capacity, and they come complete with the mounting screws. So pretty much everything that you need to make your own foldable table except the top. So you could find a top like a Formica top lying around, maybe at a garage sale. You name it, you find a board to put on top, you've got yourself a folding table, which is perfect for like craft fairs, garage sales, craft rooms, anything that you need to easily be able to fold up a table to get it out of the way. Extra guests for Thanksgiving, this is perfect. Now, these are available in chrome, as you see here, and also black. So these are pretty nice. They have a heavy duty locking device here, so you can lock your table leg and you could easily just pop it back off as well. Now the legs are 1-inch tubular steel and with tightly welded joints and protective black caps to put on the end of your legs.